Hi children, welcome to Easy Economics. In this class, I am explaining the weightage of the present first year batch. 2020-21 batch, inter first year. Weightage I am explaining, and the question paper pattern also I am explaining in this class. Okay guys, first of all, before studying about the weightage, you have to know regarding the question paper pattern. In the question paper, in section 1, 5 LAQs will be asked. LAQs means 10 marks questions. Out of 5, you should answer 3 questions. That is 3 into 10, 30 marks. Next, in the second bit, they will ask 12 SAQs, means 5 marks questions. You have to answer 8 SAQs. And in the third bit, they will ask 20 VSAQs, means 2 marks answers. You have to answer 15 VSAQs. In this way, for 155 marks, the question paper will be asked by the examiner. You have to answer the questions, that is for 100 marks. For 3 questions, 3 into 10, 30 marks. For 8 SAQs, 8 into 5, 40 marks. For 15 VSAQs, 15 into 2, 30 marks. So like this, you will get the 100 marks paper in the final examination. Okay, 3 LAQs you have to write, 8 SAQs and 15 VSAQs you have to present in the paper. Children, now let me explain the weightage. In the first year, you are having 10 units. So from the 10 units, how the questions will be asked will be explained now. From the first unit, 5 marks questions 2 and the 2 marks questions 2. Means 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. Means 14 marks will be asked from the first unit. And next second unit, 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ and 1 VSAQ. 17 marks from the second unit. And from the third unit, 2 5 marks questions and 2 2 marks questions. Totally 14 marks. And from the unit 4, 1 10 marks question and 1 2 marks question. Totally 12 marks. And from the 5th unit, 1 10 marks question, 2 2 marks questions. 14 marks, total marks. And coming to the 6th unit, 1 5 marks question, 2 2 marks questions, 9 marks, total 9 marks. And next, coming to the 7th unit, 1 10 marks question, 1 5 marks question, 1 2 marks question, total 17 marks. Next, coming to the unit 8, 1 10 marks question, 2 5 marks questions and 2 2 marks questions, totally 24 marks. Highest weightage unit compared to among all the units. 8th unit is having highest weightage. Next, 9th unit. From the 9th unit, 2 5 marks questions, 4 2 marks questions. That is total marks are 18. And from the 10th unit, 1 5 marks question, 3 2 marks questions. Total marks are 11. So once we are observing the total marks, first place is occupied by 8th unit and next 9th unit. Later 7th and 2nd units are occupying the 3rd place. So it means once you know the weightage of the units, so it is very easy that to concentrate. So which unit is having the highest weightage, we have to concentrate more and more on the unit. In this way there is a scope to get the good marks. So generally this is the weightage, children. But present second years, They attempted their first year exam on March 2020. So for that batch, the question paper is asked in this way. That is, the weightage somewhat changes are found in the weightage. That is the reason I am giving the March 2020 question paper weightage also. So means a question arises to you, that is, which weightage we have to consider. So my answer is, we have to consider the two things while preparing for the final examination. We have to consider the two things while preparing for the final examination. Okay, according to March 2020 question paper, there is no change in the first unit, that is 2 5 marks to 2 marks 14, and in the second unit 5 marks question was deleted and additionally 1 2 marks is added. So 3 marks were reduced in the second unit, and third unit 1 2 marks question is added in 2020 question paper. Instead of 14, 16 marks it covered. And coming to the fourth unit, 1 5 marks question will be added. And coming to the fifth unit, 1 5 marks question will be added and 1 2 marks will be deleted. Sixth unit, same. Seventh unit also will be same, there is no change. And eighth unit, instead of 2 5 marks questions, only in March 2020 they asked only the 1 5 marks question. That is the change. And next, ninth unit, 1 5 marks question, 1 2 marks questions were reduced, only 11 marks. And from the 10th unit, 1 5 marks question is additionally added. So for 11 marks, it covered 16 marks in the 2020 March paper. Like that, children, we can find some changes in the weightage. So whatever it may be, we have to consider the two things while preparing for the final examination. We have to concentrate more on the, while preparing for the examinations, we have to concentrate more on the, that is 8th unit, nextly 7th unit. 8th, 7th and the 5th unit. So first we have to concentrate on 8th, 7th and 5th unit. If you are doing like that, you are able to cover 3 LAQs. Okay, you are able to cover 3 LAQs and 3 SAQs also. Like that, children, first you have to concentrate on 8th, 7th and the 5th unit. Later, which unit is having highest weightage, you have to read the units. So whenever by observing the weightage you are preparing for the examination, it is easy to gain the good marks. Okay, children, in the next videos I am giving the important questions for the final examination, and also economics is the theoretical subject. So while writing the exam belongs to theories, you have to practice that is time management and paper management. Two are crucial. Two will play the main role in the examination. So within the given 3 hours of period of time, how to present all the answers, how to manage the answer sheet. Additionals are not given in the examination. Okay guys, so these are all explained in the incoming videos. So don't miss the incoming videos. And I think this video helps you to get an idea regarding the weightage of your syllabus. Children, 100% weightage, giving 100% weightage is nowadays it is not possible. Why? Because if you are observing the question paper prepared by the examiner, they are changing the weightage of the units. Means the changes are small changes. In case of the LAQs, there is no change, but examiner is having the scope to ask to change the 5 marks and 2 marks questions. Okay, that is only change we can found. 10 marks there is no change. 10 marks will be asked from the, that is second unit, fourth, fifth, seventh and 8th unit. There is no change in case of the 10 marks. But we can find slight changes in case of the 5 marks questions and the 2 marks questions only. So there is no problem. Once you will get the important questions, so definitely it is possible to overcome this problem. So it is easy to gain more than 90 marks also. Okay children. So if you like this video, do subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.